Okay, we're on part 2 of the tank install. Back out here today, a little earlier than yesterday. The weather's still about the same. Any of you people that live in places where it rains a lot, I don't see how you do it. This drives me nuts. Going to be showing you the bracket I made last night, how I'm going to mount it into the frame. I don't know if I said this, most people probably know, but my goal is to get everything fabricated and mounted up so I don't have to do that after it's been powder coated. And today I'm grateful for my job. After my incident, they're letting me take time off work for a couple weeks, make sure everything's okay, and I have a place to go back to. So after that being said, let's drill some holes. Okay, so basically, like I explained in the last video, this is the way I drill a hole if I'm going anything over 3/8, more than likely, if it's in metal. Start with your small bit, move to the middle bit, finish with your largest bit, use some cutting oil. Hopefully all goes well. One down. That's what I was talking about grabbing. I think my battery's getting low though. Put the drill in low. Turn the clutch down a few clicks. That drill in low, if you ain't holding on to it, it'll jerk right out of your hands. That's how I drill it. I'm sure there's a better way, but... Alright, got me a new battery. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna throw a couple bolts in here and hold it in place so I can mark for my other 2 holes. This one ain't wanting to start. I don't know. Must have got something in it when I was welding. Nope. Trying to figure out what's going on with that. I didn't check them after I welded them. All right, let's try this again. Must have got some slag in that nut I welded in, or a burr or something in it. I don't know what happened, but that's the stuff you don't see on TV. I think that'll do it. I was praising my $3 center punch. Works about 50% of the time. All right, I'm gonna take that back off. I don't mess up any more threads in my nuts. All right, let's see what we got here. Should go in there like that. Looks like I'm gonna have to clearance the corner of that tank flange. It's not wanting to go in between my nut that's welded on and the angle iron. Basically, that's it. I think it'll work. I want to go through and put some bolts in here, and the one in the very front, or two, I don't know how many, that cross member being at an angle kind of limits how many bolts I can get in it. So between the ones in the back and the one, two or three in the front should be more than enough. Forgot to mention, I don't know if I ever told anybody, this is a 16-gallon fuel tank, so I don't know what the factory is. I think the Blazer tanks are either 18 or 20, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong about that. It's been a while since I've looked at them, so. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and trim the corners on this tank. The mounting flange here. Take a little bit off to clear my nuts that I'd welded into my angle iron. Should be more than enough. Yep. All kinds of room now. All right. So basically I'm gonna mark these holes here. One's up there, whatever I can get in, and that'll be that. I'm not going to bore you with all that. It's just more drilling and bolting. So, okay, so that's it for the tank mounting. I got to finish up a few holes getting drilled out. I won't bore you guys with that. So, still trying to figure out what my next project's going to be. Frame's about ready to go to powder coat, I think. I'm going to go make a list, see what all I need before I get it done. So we'll go from there. Maybe start working on some more of the firewall panels that I need, and had traffic driving past. I will get another video up as soon as I figure out what I'm doing. So hit the like button, subscribe, leave your comments below. If any of you guys see something I'm doing, or tools I'm using, or parts I've purchased, and are curious about them, where I got them, what they are, how to use them, any question you have, you just leave them in the comments and I'll get right back to you.